How are you friends? Welcome to MDS Coaching Institute Koratla. I am your coach Mohammad Sohail. So friends, today we are discussing the important Indian history bit questions. So let's discuss them. So let's see the question. Who passed the Indian Universities Act? Lord Curzon passed it. Who is known as the father of Indian unrest? Bal Gangadhar Tilak is known as the father of Indian unrest. The first country which discovered sea route to India. Portugal discovered the first sea route to India. Who was the founder of Satyasodhak Sabha in Maharashtra? Jyotiba Phule. The founder of Arya Samaj, Dayananda Saraswati. The founder of Brahma Samaj, Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Who introduced the Raitwari system in Madras? Thomas Munro. Who was the Indian woman president of the United Nations General Assembly? Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. Who was the founder of Swatantra Party? Chakravarti Rajagopalachari. Which ruler of India is known as the Napoleon of India? Samudragupta. Who was the first Indian to become member of British Parliament? Dadabhai Naoroji. Where did the Black Hole tragedy took place? Murshidabad. Who was referred to as the ambassador of Hindu-Muslim unity by Sarojini Naidu? Muhammad Ali Jinnah. The Panchasheel agreement was between India and China. Who introduced the Mansabdari system in India? Mughal Emperor Akbar. The only viceroy to be assassinated in India? Lord Mayo. Which newspaper was edited by Gandhiji in South Africa? Indian Opinion. Which Governor General decided to make English as the medium of instruction in India? Lord William Bentinck. The cabinet mission of 1946 was led by Sir Pethick Lawrence. Who gave the title Nightingale of India to Sarojini Naidu? Mahatma Gandhi. English education was introduced in India by Lord Macaulay. Who gave the slogan Inqilab Zindabad? Freedom fighter Bhagat Singh. The call of back to Vedas was given by Swami Dayananda Saraswati. Which was the first English ship that came to India? Red Dragon. The Governor General who abolished the practice of sati? William Bentinck. The Indian Council Act of 1909 was popularly known as Minto-Morley reforms. Federal form of government at the center was introduced in India under Government of India Act 1935. Royal Asiatic Society was founded by Sir William Jones. Indian Universities Act 1904 was passed during the Governor Generalship of Lord Curzon. What are the Minto-Morley reforms of 1995-1909 known for? Separate electorates. Who was the Congress president during 1940 to 1946? Maulana Azad. Which Governor General abolished the dual system of government in Bengal? Lord Warren Hastings. The book Prison Diary was written by Jayaprakash Narayan. India House is located in London. Deshbandhu is the title of Chittaranjan Das, C.R. Das. The Bhudan movement was launched by Vinoba Bhave. The original name of Swami Vivekananda was Narendranath Datta. Who is associated with the term Lok Nayak in India? Jayaprakash Narayan. Who was the pioneer of the Western system of education in India? Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Who gave the slogan Dilli Chalo? Subhash Chandra Bose. Who was the founder of Aligarh movement? Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. The Swaraj Party was formed due to the failure of non-cooperation movement. Because of non-cooperation movement failure, Swaraj Party was formed by Motilal Nehru, Chittaranjan Das and N.C. Kelkar. So friends, in this video we have discussed the most important bits of the Indian history and the independence history. In the next video, I will come in front of you with a new topic. So if you like this video, please share it, subscribe the channel and comment on it. If you have any doubts, please write in the comment section. Stay home, stay safe. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.